These, ladies and gentlemen, are my new liver oils. Let's look at these. Okay, so we are buying essential oils from a company called Restore Hope Oils. And the man that started the company, him and his family, he's just, I like doing business with family people that have good hearts. And this man talks about his story. He had correct me if I'm wrong, my friend, but I believe it was an incurable autoimmune liver condition that the doctor just said, hey, there's nothing you can do. He looked to God's plants that he gave us, and the lifeblood in those plants are these essential oils. And so, okay, this says, can you see it says Liv-Better PM? Guess what? So this one's going to be AM. Liv-Better AM. So I have had a roll-on of these things, and they're amazing. I absolutely use them. I could tell you so many great stories. One of my favorite, though, is a 7-year-old little girl who she was autistic and she had some challenges, but she had never slept through the night ever. Now, we did a multi-therapeutic approach. We're doing some different supplements and rotating some things, but it really was the oils. When her mother incorporated them before bed, she started sleeping through the night. I'm like, as a mother, I get goosebumps every time I think about that, like sleeping through the night. Oh my gosh. Because your liver has so much to do with your sleep, your hormones, your digestion, your everything. So we're going to be talking in October about Love Your Liver Month, and this is one of my favorite things. So, okay, like I said, though, we had the roll-on before, and my friend Gavin here sent me these so that we could try them. I don't know, I probably have to twist it or something. So I'm just going to do this here. Oh, wow. Probably just one pump, but guess what? I'm going to go ahead and just rub that on my liver, and it smells amazing. You can't smell it. That's hilarious. Holly can smell it, though. But so it's called the One Tap Duo, the AM, and then the PM, do it before bed, and it does soak in. So here's the cool thing that I learned from our friend Gavin. It really does smell amazing. A carrier oil doesn't just dilute the product. A carrier oil is intended to drive it through the skin, the tissues, so that it is more absorbable. And it's so cool. One of my favorite things about oils, though, is our emotions. We know emotions operate at a frequency, right? Like, we could show a frequency chart. So just look that up if you don't know that. And so different organs also operate on different frequencies. And so different emotions can potentially get stored in different organs. And we know that anger, for one, can get stored in your liver. So when you're supporting your liver with things that have a frequency that are designed for your liver, you can literally let go of certain emotions. And we know that toxicity and stress and dis-ease in the body is always chemical, physical, and emotional. So, you guys got to check out these oils. Use the code Dr. Allison for 10% off, and just enjoy living better, feeling better, and loving your liver. Peace out, friends.